swings, how do I exit? You're in from 13? That is a great job. Wow, congrats, you're up like 50% on it. Yeah, that's you know, I usually sell some into strength always, and then I look at where it like closes. When it starts closing below certain moving averages, that's when I scale out. Like let's say, I mean in Fran, let's say if I had bought this breakout here, I would probably, you know, sold, you know, it's up 20% from the breakout. I would probably have sold a bunch into it, maybe a 20-25% or something, or maybe a bit less, since this is a very fast moving stock. This is stock can easily double in a few days if it wants to, and then I would probably have like a break even stop, and then, you know, if it closes below the 10-day, I would probably sell out a quarter or a third, and if it closes below the 20-day, that's when I would close out another quarter or a third, unless it hits my real stop. Then I would obviously sell all of them, but that's how I scale out. I use the moving averages, the 10, 20, 50, but it also depends on the stock. Like these kind of faster kind of stocks, you probably have to use the 10 and maybe the 20, because the 50-day, like when this thing hits the 50-day, it's probably too late. Like it's gonna be down 50% from highs. So these very explosive fast stocks, you gotta use slower moving averages. Yeah, absolutely. I know what you mean. I mean, day trading is tiring. It's just super tiring. I hate it. I mean, sometimes when I see something really good, yes, but mostly it just takes a lot of time, and there's just so much easier to make money swing trading, in my opinion. The hard part about swing trading is you have to wait for sometimes multiple months and do very little or almost nothing. That's the only hard part with swing trading. With day trading, you can trade pretty much every day. There's always opportunity, especially the first hour or 2 hours after market open. There's always something to trade. But swing trading, you know, you just have to sit on your hands, do nothing. That's the hard part. I'm still, unfortunately, learning that. But you gotta, you know, you gotta find some hobbies, you know. That's how it is. That's why I've been playing World of Warcraft a lot lately.